Hello my friends, welcome to our channel. Today we see some cool and awesome gadgets that do your lifestyle very easy. Well, in this video we see an electric toothbrush, foldable RC drone, a water drone, a chainless bicycle and some other gadgets. So before we start the video, please subscribe our channel The World. Let's start the video. Number 1. BW Space Water Drone. BW Space is the newest and most improved drone. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology, it's exceptionally powerful and nimble in the water. With good stability, it has ability to capture 4K videos at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total drive time, 100 meters drive depth and max speed 2 meters per second, BW can go farther and faster. It has state-of-the-art active tracking system. It can follow your subject automatically and it has dual powerful LED lights. You have no problem navigate in the darkest of conditions. With 128GB internal storage, you can record 4 hours and take thousands of photos. Number 2. Plasma Ball. Plasma Ball, also called Plasma Globe or Plasma Lamp. It is a clear gas container filled with a mixture of various noble gases with high voltage electrode in the center of the container. When voltage is applied, plasma filaments extend from the inner electrode to the outer glass insulator, giving the appearance of multiple constant beams of colored light. It's like multiple thunders are playing each other in the ball. It's very cool. You can use the ball like magician and you can show magic with your friends. Number 3. Pyro Mini. Friends, when I say you can burn fire anywhere, can you believe me? But now it's possible. And it is true, friends. A cool gadget which is Pyro Mini. Pyro is a device which gives you endless possibility. You can tie in your wrist and anywhere you can burn fire when you want. Friends, the meaning of Pyro is shadow of fire. It is small but very powerful. You can use it in your room from one corner to another corner. Its range is 30 feet, which is very good range. Number 4. HSD A6 Motorcycle Foldable RC Drone. Its name is big, but this is a very amazing toy. Friends, it is a toy drone which is very lightweight with amazing features. You can control and fly the drone by your smartphone. You can enjoy to fly the drone and you can click photos and videos with the drone because in this drone fitted with HD camera. It clicks the photos in HD quality. Friends, it's called toy because it's seen like motorcycle and fly like drone. I mean, it is a twin-one drone. It's very easy to use. It's easy from its remote control toys. It has one click return and one click take off button. You can use the drone for photography in any angle. Number 5. Cosmo. Friends, Cosmo is a robot car which will be a friend of your kids. We know old is gold, but in 21st century, children don't like to play with dolls. So you can give your child Cosmo. Cosmo is a modern world toy which talk with your child. Kids are easily control the robot by tablet or mobile phones. In this robot, multiple types of emotion are added. Emotion like angry, frustrated, happiness and another features are added in Cosmo. So just think, when you give your child a toy which is talk with your child and show different type of actings, then how much enjoy they feel. Only not for play Cosmo. When your child play with Cosmo, then different things they learn. Number 6. Ludicase. Friends, sometimes we face a problem, which is our phone screen is damaged or broken when phone is falls accidentally from our hand or pocket. Ludicase is a mobile cover which is protect your phone. Only not that, it's reduce your stress. Yes friends, it's a mobile cover, but it gives you multiple features like undistressable buttons, movable balls which rotate 360 degrees and reduce your stress. In this mobile cover gives you a which rotate 360 degrees and mobile cover built by very hard material for protect your mobile. Number 7. Nest brush. Friends, after wake up at morning we feel very lazy. At first wake up from the bed, then find out brush, then find out our paste, then fill the brush with paste, then brush our mouth. Now all the work is done by one gadget, that is Nest brush, self-dispensing UVC toothbrush. In this brush attached with dispenser, in a 1 month fill paste in the dispenser and forgot the tension for 1 month. Its dispenser totally airtight. When you tap its button, then paste automatically come out from the dispenser. Then you brush comfortably. In this brush use silicone material and it is screen friendly. With this brush you will get brush stand. In this brush stand protected with UV rays which keeps your brush fresh. You also carry this brush anywhere. Number 8. Balloon puncher. Friends, we all play games in mobiles, but when we play games practically, we feel better enjoyment. I tell you a gadget which is Balloon Puncher. It is a very amazing gaming gadget. In this game, 2 robots attached with 2 balloons. Each robot have remote control system. 2 opponents are fight each other. 2 opponents are fight with the robot by remote control. Which opponent's balloon is blast first, he lose the game. After then, a new balloon attached with the robot and then start fight. It is not a danger game, but after blast robot balloon, you feel very enjoyment and it's like a real fight game. This balloon puncher is for kids, but after see the game, you can't stop you to play the game. Number 9. String bike. Friends, just think, when we cycling, what is the problem we face? Main problem we face, the chain was broken or cut. When you go for a important work by bicycle, you pedal the bicycle faster. Then the cycle chain was broken or cut. Then you late for the work. Now a solution is present in market, that is string bike. It is a bicycle without chain. The string replaces the chain or gear of the cycle. This string bike you can adjust for kids or men, and it is very easy to adjust the string, and you can adjust the bike 2-wheeler to 3-wheeler. This string bike is very strong and very comfortable. Number 10. Space heater. This is a space heater which is very small to see, but this is very powerful heater. It is portable, so you can carry the heater anywhere and you can on the heater in your room. This heater heat your surroundings very fast. Friends, in this heater gives you some features like high speed wind, low speed wind, quick heat, constantly heat mode and many more. You can use the heater your accordingly. It is very lightweight and small, so you can carry the heater in your bag. It is very sensational heater. When you on the heater, you can't feel snowfall or cold. You feel very comfortable with the heater.